In this video, I'm going to go over the Keller Williams consumer app and review the search filters and features that you can offer your clients. Let's go ahead and share my screen. You should be able to see my phone now. So I've just opened the app. You can see that the properties have loaded up. You know what? We'll actually go like this, so you can see how quick that pops in there. So it's looking for my location, and there are the properties around me right now. The first thing I want to go through is just the typical filters and searches that you have access to. This is just so that you have an idea how this works compared to some other real estate apps. So you can see up in the top right, the top left, we have the for sale button. So I can actually hone down my search by different categories here. We're just going to go across the top there. We have a slider for price. Hit done. We can do a property type if I just want houses, if I'm looking for apartments, etc. Hit done again. And then with more, we can get down into the more nitty-gritty details. So let's say we want 3-bedroom, 2-bath. You can see we have square foot, lot size, year built, parking, keywords, open houses, and price reduced in the last 7 days. So those last two are super handy. If somebody's looking specifically for open houses, they can turn that toggle on. And if they want something that was specifically had a price reduction, they can click that toggle on. And you can see in the bottom right-hand corner, as I'm switching those toggles, I went to 10+ results. I'm going to turn off open houses. Now I have 200+. And turn on price reduced, and I have 70+. So let's go ahead and leave it with the price reduction ones. We're going to hit done. And now my map is updated with everything that fits those criteria that we've set. And you can see I can continue to zoom in and out, and those filters are still apply, or I can move left, right, up, down, and it will search for the new homes and pop those in that match those filters. Easy for the client to see right off the bat. Anything that has this little green calendar means there's an open house scheduled for that property. So let's say that's the one I wanted to click on. I can just open it up and get a quick view of everything. We'll do another video that shows exactly what's populating in that listing. So check out the playlist for those details. The other thing I want to highlight that really sets this app apart from others is that we actually have the ability that I have not seen on any other real estate apps to search by landmark. So let's say you live near a big school and you want to see what's listed, or you're looking to live by this big school. So here's Notre Dame. It didn't show anything because it zoomed right in on that school. But now you can see as I zoom out, oh, let me change my filters. Maybe there's no recent price reductions here. There we go. Let's turn that off. Should have done something in my area where I know the prices. Here we go. So you can see there's a couple of properties right in that area. Okay. The market's a little lower than the Chicago land area, which is great. So that's why nothing had showed up originally. I update my filters and everything's lower than the price range I had originally put in. And so Notre Dame's an example. Let's say we want to live by Navy Pier. Just type in Navy Pier. There it is. Again, we're showing no results found because I'm zoomed in right on top of Navy Pier. So if I zoom out, now here is the actual Chicago border against the lake, and you can start to see all the housing that's available there. The last thing I want to point out is that we do have the ability to search by neighborhoods. So if you see I have these little neighborhood tags popping up here, I can actually get information specifically on that neighborhood. This is a unique connection we have with NextDoor, and you can see right here there's that little on button. So if you think that that's distracting and you don't want to see the neighborhoods, you can tap that, and then we just see the listings, and I can just tap it back on if I want to see information on the Gold Coast. And you can see if I click on Gold Coast, it gives me amazing stats about the market, what locals say, commute times from this area to where I am, or things that I've already saved, school information, places nearby. We even have a connection into Yelp for some Yelp reviews. And then of course, homes for sale in that area. And that is specifically on the neighborhood, not a property. So that's really cool if you're looking to move into a newer area and maybe your clients don't know much about it, they can get that neighborhood detail right from your app. So check out the rest of the playlist for more app information. We'll be going over some search features, some listing details, and some ways for consumers to save money. I'll see you next time.